Happy birthday, Ma. Naku, 60 ka niya, pero okay lang nga, hindi naman halata. Wow! Huwag ka pa stress dyan masyado. And, mahal-mahal ka namin. Happy birthday. Ingat palagi. Miss you. Love you.
Hello ma, happy birthday. Ingat ka din palagi. Miss ka na namin. Love ya. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mother. Wishing you all the best in life. Stay pretty and happy. We love you. We miss you. Happy birthday.
Kain. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate